Hi friends, welcome back to Dreamy Manda. Today we're slowing down and spending the perfect fall day together. Think cozy candles, pumpkin treats, and of course, a trip to the apple farm. Let's get into it. First things first, we need a fall drink to set the mood. I'm making my favorite iced pumpkin chai latte. It's super easy. Just chai tea concentrate, sweet cream creamer, and a drizzle of my homemade pumpkin syrup. It's the perfect mix of spicy, creamy, and cozy in a glass. The Tazo Classic Chai Latte Concentrate is perfect for this. You can use as much or as little as you want. Making my own pumpkin syrup is such a game changer. It tastes better than store-bought, and it makes my kitchen smell like fall. One of my favorite things about fall is creating cozy little moments at home. A candle here, a plaid blanket there. It just makes the space feel like a warm hug. I even swapped out my wall prints for a fall vibe and put on a cozy playlist to set the mood. Do you decorate your space for fall or keep it minimal? I am definitely team cozy overload. Now that the vibe at home is set, let's head out on a little adventure. To get in the spirit, I pulled out one of my fall favorites, the Champagne Apple and Honey collection from Bath & Body Works. The scent instantly makes me think of crisp apples at the orchard. A spritz of perfume, comfy boots, and I'm ready for a fall day out. Okay, this is the look I'm going with. It's still really warm here in SoCal, so not exactly fall vibes yet, but I have a short-sleeved peachy sweater that's super cute that I'm pairing with my Levi's shorts, and figure I could wear my cute little boots. And then I have my little fringe bag from Hammett, which is super cute. This one just totally gives me kind of that fall vibe. Love it. Let's head to the apple farm. Up here to Oak Glen at Los Rios Rancho, and we are gonna go explore and check it out. There's some tri-tipping barbecued right now and it smells so good, so I think we're definitely gonna have to get something for lunch. And yeah, just gonna go check out everything apple. Let's go. I spent the afternoon with my friend and her son at Los Rios Rancho in Oak Glen, California. It's such a dreamy little spot in the mountains. It feels like stepping straight into autumn. We browsed through the little store on site and they had so many yummy apple items like caramel apples, apple butter, and so much more. I ended up picking up some apple cider for later. Of course, I had to say hi to the animals. The goats and chickens were so cute and the perfect start before heading into the orchards.
I want to see. I want to see.
You want to see?
How about we take a picture? How about we take a picture?
Hi, go. You want to?
Hi, goat. How about we take a picture over there? How about we take a picture at that other one?
Hi, Mr. Goat. Who's a cute baby goat? Hi, look at you. He's cute. You got waggy tail? The chicken's looking for food.
One goes up there.
Yeah, do you see him fly up? Let's see. This one's gonna do it.
You gonna do it?
She's like, I'm thinking about it. Maybe. It's a llama.
That's a
Look at
llama.
He's saying hi.
Come look over
He
here.
wants to
Look.
say hi to
I'm
you.
gonna pick you up so you can see him better. Here, come on. I'll pick you up so you can see him.
Oh, look, there's a ducky.
There's a ducky there. Oh, there's a duck.
Carter, all the little animals are coming out to say hi. Hi. Hi.
Look at mama. Carter, look at mama.
What, the llama?
What happened? What was that? Oh, good thing you got off of it. That's a cat. Mountain one hurts. Can you see? Make sure you don't have anything on you. Can you see? Where? Nothing? You okay? Where?
After visiting the animals, we took a nature walk, which was gorgeous. The air smelled so fresh and the apple trees were glowing in the sunlight. I picked a few to bring home, but mostly just enjoyed being out here surrounded by the fall colors.
You just had a meal. We're gonna eat food right now when we're done, okay?
let him pick some apples, so I think he enjoyed it. And he picked out some really yummy apples, so looking forward to trying these out. This tree has like a ton of apples on it. And no apple farm trip is complete without lunch. I grabbed a tri-tip sandwich and a cup of their fresh apple cider. Simple, but so delicious. I honestly think apple cider just tastes better when you're sipping it at a farm. Should we try our cold apple cider? Yum. Ooh, that is nice and refreshing. Appley.
Yummy.
That's good, huh? What do you think? Like, I love it. Thumbs up?
Good.
Yeah.
I look at this.
What is that?
It's for get some phone.
Is that gonna let you know when your food's ready?
Yeah.
When your hot dog's all ready?
It's just counting one.
There we go.
It's counting 1, 2.
Here's the closer look at the tri-tip sandwich, which is a really good size. You get a hefty portion of meat, and then they top it with grilled onions as well, and it's served with barbecue sauce on the side. Let's take a bite of the sandwich. It smells so good. All that tri-tip in there. Looks delicious. I added some grilled onions, and then they also gave me some barbecue sauce to put on, but we're just gonna do it like this. That was really good. Yeah. This meat is so good. It has such good flavor, nice saltiness, but not overly. So I could eat this every day. This is a delicious sandwich. If you're stopping here, definitely. Yeah. Did you try your hot dog? If you're coming here, definitely come and try out the tri-tip sandwich. So good. Back at home, I decided to keep those fall flavors going by baking some pumpkin banana bread. The pumpkin banana bread turned out so good. It was the most perfect pumpkin banana bread ever. I'll be sure to drop the link to the recipe that I used in the comments below because you have to try this. Trust me. I love baking during the fall and winter months. It just feels like a grounding, cozy ritual. This was the perfect fall day. Slow moments at home, a trip to the apple farm, and sweet treats to finish it off. Thanks so much for spending the day with me. If you enjoyed this vlog, let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more dreamy adventures. Until next time, friends.